Today you will be taking your first common assessment. You will find the whole test attached on this assignment. You may either print the passage and put your answers there or put your answers on notebook paper. I'm going to begin by reading each question. I will pause after each question. You may pause it and replay it when you're ready to go to the next question. Number 1. What word could replace issued in the reading passage? A, developed, B, announced, C, created, D, ignored. Number 2. What word could replace profound in the reading passage? A, significant, B, wimpy, C, lovely, D, slight. What do you think the word behoove means? A, to be irritating, B, to stomp and shout, C, to remove a hoof, B, be in your best interest, recommended. Number 4, what do you think the word traipse means? A, to ice skate, B, to send, C, to walk slowly, D, to mail. Number 5. What word could replace secure in the reading passage? A, pinch, B, watch, C, drop, D, attach. Number 6. What word could replace massive in the reading passage? A, bits, B, enormous, C, freezing, D, beautiful. Number 7. How does the news anchor feel about the school district's decisions regarding snow days? A, they're ridiculous, B, they're brilliant, C, they're always right, D, I don't know. Now you will need to read the poem, Winter. You will use both the first story, Winter Storm Warning, and the poem to answer the following questions. A, 8. Both the story and the poem talk about A, winter weather, B, hurricane season, C, tropical storms, D, winter vacations. Number 9. The story and the poem are similar because they both talk about preparing for A, summer school, B, a spring garden, C, the effects of winter, D, tornado season. Number 10. If you get distracted when reading, what should you do? A, keep reading, B, stop where you are and go back to the place where your mind started wandering and reread from there. C, change books. D, ask your neighbor what the book is about. Number 11. How is the word secure used in the story Winter Storm Warning? Secure. Verb. Secured, securing. 1. To make safe. Police secured the building. 2. To fasten or put something in a place to keep it from coming loose. Secure your belongings under the seat. 3. To get a hold of, acquire. Your father has finally secured passage for us. A, meaning 1, B, meaning 2, C, meaning 3, or D, meaning 4. Number 12. What difference between the story Winter Storm Warning and the poem Winter is? A, the poem talks about a winter storm that is coming. B, the story Winter Storm Warning is about animals hibernating. C, the story Winter Storm Warning tells about preparing for a hurricane. D, the poem Winter talks about animals hibernating and nature in winter. Number 13. Winter Storm Warning differs from the poem Winter in that A, it is a realistic fiction story. B, it is about winter. C, it talks about being prepared for winter. Or D, it talks about the effects of winter. 14. What does it mean when you make a text-to-self connection? A, that the book that you're reading reminds you of a book that you have read. B, that something that you are reading reminds you of World War II. C, that something you are reading reminds you of something in your life. Or D, that you like the book and want to read more like it. Number 15, when you annotate as you're reading something, you are A, making notes to help you remember what you have read. B, listening to someone else read the story to you. C, telling someone else about your story. D, skimming the story and not really reading it. Once you have all your answers, follow the directions on this assignment to submit your work. Thank you.